When you come into the doors at the SEC, there is a lot to learn. It doesn't matter how much experience you've had outside the SEC, there is definitely a lot to learn here. On a daily basis, I manage a staff of 6, but I also look at public filings, IPOs, annual reports for compliance with securities laws, compliance with accounting rules. So I'm a CPA, so I look at those companies for any improprieties, anything that's not consistent with the rules. And the interesting part about the job is that you really have an impact on protecting investors in the market. The experience of an accountant at the SEC, you get to look at a lot of different transactions. The interesting part is you're interacting with leaders of some of the largest companies in the world. So you could be on the phone with the CFO, the corporate controller of some of the multinational companies in the world, which is huge. I think a major thing that was part of the decision to come here was work-life balance. My favorite work-life balance qualities is the alternative work schedule where I can work different 8-hour set. I telework 2 days a week. So there's various things that help with my schedule because for me, my family is very important. My personal life is important. One thing that is interesting here is that at the SEC, believe it or not, I've actually been reunited with a lot of people I used to work with or have seen, throughout the years. Whether it was my days in public accounting, somehow some of us just ended up here in different divisions. So it's really, really neat that you used to work with these people years ago, and then later on in your career, you're actually working with them again. The thing about working at the SEC is that you get to see a lot of bright people and work with a lot of bright people and different collaborative ideas, and a lot of people have different backgrounds. People are learning from each other, there's a lot of collaboration, there's a lot of exciting things happening. So that's the important thing, is there's constant learning and there's constantly value add every day. You're adding value to the process every day.